Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the Discord and how you can work with it inside the Discord API with Node. And from the last video we get up and running with the Discord.js, and I show you how you can create the application and how you can let the bot join Discord network by using the token you get. In this video we want to speak about how this bot can join a channel you want, and how you can get it the right access based on what you want to use the bot for. So that's what we're going to do today. And remember, all the code can be found on the on the GitHub, and the links will be in the description, of course. And I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel. You can go in the right corner below and just click on the thing, then you get subscribed for my channel and you get new videos every time I'm just published out. I really hope you want to like and share this video, and if you have any questions, please make a comments below. I'll try to answer them as fast as I can. So I think we are ready for beginning about what the video exactly want to do. So the first thing we're going to do, you need to log in for your developer application here and select the bot, the application you want to work on, and then we are on it. And then we need to go in for authentication 2. And we're scrolling a little bit down, and we need to select the bot, and in the bot we get the bot permissions. And what we're gonna do is sending a message and read the message history, and that's everything for now in this video, because we need to do that in some other videos. We want to copy it and get a new browser here, and then we just paste it in, and then we're gonna select which server we want on, but we don't have any server because we are not allowed for that right now. So I need to go in for my own Discord channel and open up for the users, so this one can get connected for my channel. Now I'm just changing the rights, so I just want to reload it again, and then I can just pick it up here, my web server, not web server, my Discord server channel. And then it's say, would you confirm about the Octopus Junior have the following permission to the PNK, and I will say that's right, and I'm not a bot, everything here is correct, and I can just close this down. I can go back for the channel, and now you can see the Octopus Junior bot is now on the channel, and that's what we're gonna work with now. And I think that's what we need before we can go in for the code editor again. So let's go back to the code editor. And then from the last video we just have the token here in the plain text, and we don't want that. So what we're gonna do now is say npm install save .env. That's what we're gonna do, and then we're just going in the top here and say require .env, and we just say config, and then we can create a new env file, and the new env file should have the name. I'll say Discord bot token, and that's the token. And then we can go back here. Whoops, I need to copy that. And we're going inside here, and we can just say process env Discord, and then I basically have taken the bot token inside, and now I can regenerate a new token and put it into my env, and then my video is more secure, and I can reuse the new token in the future. But before we do this, I'll just say this one, and we say bot user set activity, and I'll just say serving bot kills cache size, and then we need this one, servers. And what I'm just telling it now is just to set the activity it will be playing, and the bot will telling about it's playing and it's serving around X number of servers. In this case it should be 1. And then I will just, before I'm starting it, I will just going ahead and regenerate my token. Now I've just regenerated the token, and I've pasted the new one in. So let's just run the bot again and see what's happening. It's logged in as Octopus Junior, and we are ready for the general speaking here. And now you can see the Octopus Junior playing and serving 1 server. And now that's working as it should be. That's how you can get a bot to join a server. And of course, if you have any questions about how you can do this, you are really welcome to just let me know that by the comments. And I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the thing on the right corner below, and all the code will be found on my GitHub profile. You can just follow the link below in the description, and I really hope you want to like and share this video. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye.